How to sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can sell Bitcoin on Cash App. In order to sell Bitcoin on Cash App, first of all, make sure that you have enough funds. And after that, log in into your Cash App account. Once you're logged into your Cash App account, click on the home icon or the built-in icon located right at the bottom. As soon as you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the other interface where you need to click on Bitcoin. After that, you'll be taken to the profile page of Bitcoin where you'll be able to see whether you want to buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin or send. So you need to click on the sell Bitcoin, which is right at the bottom. So here what you need to do is you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to sell and click on the sell button or the next button located right at the bottom. So after that, you'll be taken to this kind of interface or the review page where you'll be asked to check all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about the information, click on the confirm tab located right at the bottom. And this is gonna take you to the other page where you'll be able to see that the amount of Bitcoin has been sold, and in this way you can sell Bitcoin on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.